Hey guys, it's the Crafty Sisters, and if you're new to our channel, I'm Lainey.
I'm Mia. And I'm Emma.
And today we're going to make
DIY
homemade lemonades.
lemonades.
And each of ours is going to be different. Mia's is going to have
Honey.
Yes, honey, and mine isn't. And Emma's going to be the judge and see which one she likes better.
Okay guys, so the first thing you need to do is cut your lemon. Awesome. I cut this very uneven, but it will still work out. And next, you need this thing to squeeze your lime, so that you can get all the juice in this bowl. I'll use this part first. See all that juice coming? It's actually a juicy one. And also, just so you know, if you put like 2 limes, it's gonna be very sour, so make sure you don't put a lot.
By the way, guys, we're just eyeballing all of this stuff, so don't worry about like measuring the lemon juice or anything. Just, put however much you want.
Okay, so this is the lemon juice that we squished out of the lime, and all the seeds got stuck in this pink thing.
Not true. Look, there's seeds in here.
Because you dropped them.
Dig them out.
Next, we're going to add water in our cup. I have a very fancy cup.
Oh, yes.
Put a lot of water because it's going to be real sour. And then you're going to add some of the juice that you took out of the lime.
You mean lemons, Mia? Those are not limes.
Sorry, didn't know.
Try your lemonade, hurry!
Is it really sour?
It's really not sour.
Oh. Maybe you should put less water.
Better?
More? You need more sourness?
Like better. Not. Okay, here's the judge. Also, I haven't added.
You haven't added the honey or the sugar.
Okay, so now I'm gonna let Emma pour honey in my lemonade.
Is it still having honey on your hand?
If it's a good disaster. Emma, come on, Emma, come on.
Honey in the lemonade, hurry.
There's a crowd between
Hurry.
Gordon Ramsay and that guy you
Good job, Emma. Ah, she's getting some honey on the cup, the rim of the cup.
Let's get a look at. No, it's mine. No, it's my dessert.
Your dessert, the honey on your hand. Better wash your hands.
You can have the rest. I'm just kidding.
Hold on, right now you're gonna have lemonade with honey in it.
Okay. Just taste it.
Looks already so beautiful.
A lot of it went on my hand. So.
Now you mix in the honey. I see it sitting on the
Yeah, no, I'm gonna do that when she has the sugar. She already added it.
Okay.
You need to mix it in. I can still see the honey sitting on the bottom.
Yeah, I know, but I'm gonna add a little bit more sugar since I added some honey, and Emma put only a little bit of sugar, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. Oh my goodness, Emma, you need to try this.
You have now finished your product. The
Emma, don't be a
delicious
puppy.
lemonade with honey.
Is it good, Emma? Is it good?
Emma.
Wait till you try my lemonade, Emma. I'm going to win this competition.
I'm gonna do like last time. I'm going to cut the lemon in half. Except this time I'm gonna try to do it more even. Oh, I made mine uneven too. Oh well. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's gonna get distorted anyway.
I think you just want one.
There you go. Okay, now I'm gonna get my little lemon smasher thing. And
Where's my lemon? You're angry.
whoa, a bunch of seeds came out already.
This one has a lot of juice. my goodness, you can hear that little crunch.
Juice, guys. This is just one lemon. Look at all the seeds that came out. And all my juice. Okay, I'm gonna try not to get any seeds in here. Get all the juice out. Okay. Now I'm going to put it in my cup. Okay, so I got my very fancy cup here. And I'm just going to dump all my lemon juice in here. Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Ooh, that looks awesome.
Oh, it's so sour. That is the worst thing ever. Do not eat that by itself. Okay, I'm gonna put water in it. So let's go. I have my very sour lemon juice that tastes horrible by itself. So I'm gonna add some water.
What do you mean by some water? That's a lot.
Yours was super full. Like, I'm gonna leave some space, see? That way it doesn't overflow. Oh, much better. I'm gonna get some of the sugar. I'm not gonna add all of it. I'm just gonna add a little bit. Sprinkle it in there. Okay, that's good enough. And now I'm going to mix it with a spoon. I'll be right back.
Okay, I'm just gonna mix my sugar because I don't want all of it sitting on the bottom. Like Mia's lemonade where all the honey sat on the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna try it. You got a big spoonful of sugar. Oh, there's just a bunch of sugar. Okay, maybe I need to do a little bit more mixing. Okay, I like this one better than you. I can win the competition. Oh, that's delicious.
Okay, I'm actually gonna add a little bit more sugar because it's not really that sweet. It's more like sour, but it's still really good. Okay.
The honey totally changed the color. Ooh. This is like orange and mine's like yellowish. Okay. This is like a berry. Oh, it's so shiny.
Okay, so my lemonade is done, and now Emma's gonna try it and see which one she likes better. Okay, don't tell her whose is whose, okay? Yeah. I think she already knows. She might be too smart, but still. Emma, try this lemonade. It's gum? It's good? Okay, try this lemonade. Come on. Oh, careful. Which lemonade do you like better? This one or this one?
I like, Estelle.
Yes! No!
Yes!
No! Thank you, Emma! Probably because yours has extra sugar. Has sugar and honey.
Oh, no. I help you.
Are you sure, Emma? Dang it. Okay,
She's
so
a real judge.
if I were the one, you would have been like, she's not a good judge.
Gosh, she is.
She's. You should have picked mine, Emma.
No, I want to pick you.
Okay, so I lost that challenge, but I still think that my lemonade is better. Okay, guys. So that was our video for today. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to put a thumbs up and subscribe. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.